Here's the truth. Strangers don't care about you unless you do what I'm about to share with you. Once you get it right, they will follow you, trust you, and stick with you and buy whatever you have to sell to them on the wrong one. Now, here's the thing. Let's imagine you go to 100 people now and be like, hey, can you buy my product? They'll be like, who are you? Go away, I don't trust you. But when you go to 100 people and be like, hey, you have a free problem. You have a problem. Can I solve it for you for free? They'll be like, yes, you can solve my problem for me for free. Now that after solving that problem for them for free, you can then go back to them. Hey, I solved the first problem for you for free. Now I have the second problem. Can I solve it in exchange for money? Definitely, if you solve the first problem for them exactly well and you are not presenting them the second problem, they'll be like, yes, you can solve a second problem for me in exchange for money. So this is what is called a lead magnet. Now I want to prepare for this that there are lists everywhere, you understand? There are strangers online. But the point is not about lists. The point is how to get these strangers from just ordinary strangers to engage lists to people that want to buy whatever you sell. And one of the ways to get them interested to buy whatever you sell from strangers to loyal audience is using lead magnet. Now, a lot of you don't know what is lead magnet, and a lot of you that know what is lead magnet not actually have lead magnets, and a lot of you that have lead magnet have bad lead magnets. Now, here is the stuff. What is lead magnet? Now, a lead magnet is a complete solution that solves a very small problem that reveals the next problem that you have to solve with your main products. Now, let me give you an instance in this. Sometime last 2 months ago, there is a hospital that opens beside my house. So this hospital is just a new hospital. So what this hospital did was they said that okay, we are running free kidney tests. You should come and join. You understand? So 50 people attended that free kidney test. After those 50 people, two people have kidney failure. So the hospital said to those patients, hey, you have this kidney failure, and if you do nothing about it, it's going to get worse in future and you definitely die. And so eventually the hospital or the doctor performed surgery on those 2 patients. Now this hospital understand the power of lead magnet. Understand? If those hospital now go to people and be like, hey, you have kidney cancer, can I perform a surgery on you? They will be like, Holy Ghost fire, go away. But this hospital use the lead magnet. They use the lead magnet and review a problem that the patient doesn't know that they have, and tell them, hey, if you do nothing about it, it's going to get worse in future. So their major there are major works of a lead magnet. Number one is to review a problem that the prospect don't know that they have, because sometimes the products you are promoting, your prospect don't even know that they have that particular problem. Understand? So these patients now that have kidney failure, not even know that they have kidney failure until that doctor use their lead magnet to do free kidney tests on them. You understand? So that's problem number one. They have solved the problem, discovering that these patients have free kidney. These patients have kidney failure. Now they have to transition from just free patients to people that will pay them. You understand? And now the hospital present to them, hey, if you do nothing about this free kidney, kidney, I don't know why I'm continuing saying free kidney. If you do nothing about this problem, it's going to get worse in future. So the patients have to pay the doctor to perform a surgery on them. So this is a perfect example of a lead magnet. So if you want to get strangers from just strangers to royal audience that you buy whatever you said, you use what I call lead magnet. Now, a lot of you might be asking at this moment, how do I actually create lead magnet that will capture people's audience? And now, lead magnet works for best. In fact, it works for big entrepreneurs and it works for small entrepreneurs. But as a small entrepreneur, as a small person that is just starting an online business, it will be best for you if you use lead magnet. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 ways you can create a lead magnet that will transition strangers to royal audience. Now let's get into it without wasting any time. The first one is figure out the best problem to solve. You understand? You don't have to solve a very big problem. You just have to figure out a small problem that your target audience are having, and then you use your lead magnet to solve it. Now I want to tell you this thing, that every problem creates a solution, and every solution creates a problem again. You get the point? So when you use your lead magnet to solve a small problem, it reveals the next problem that comes up, and that is when you use your paid product to solve it. So you figure out a small problem you have to solve. Let me say you are selling a product of how to generate leads. You might solve a small problem of people that that shows them how to know quality leads or how to target quality leads. You understand? So after that, you can then review the next problem that, okay, now you know how to target the right leads. You have to go and you understand, solve a small problem. Then the second thing on creating a lead magnet is figure out how to solve it. Now you don't just say, okay, the problem I'm going to solve is this. You must figure out, okay, how do I actually solve this problem? You understand? Now let me say you want to solve problem for YouTube creators. on how to get 1 million views every day, and that is a small problem that you want to solve. Now, how do you actually solve it? I said, okay, I will solve this problem by giving them the best titles in the world, by giving them the best thumbnail, by giving them the best description, and by giving them the best tags. You have to figure out a way to solve this problem. Then after figuring out a way to solve this problem, number 3 is you have to figure out how to deliver it. You understand? Now, people love different ways. Some people love watching videos. Some people love reading books. Some people love watching video, listening to podcasts. Understand? So you have to find out, how do I want to deliver this thing so that my audience will want to use it to get the point. Do you want to make it in playbook? Do you want to make it in audiobook? Do you want to make it in video? Anyhow, so you figure out how to deliver it. So that is number 3. Number 4 is test what to name it. Now, lead magnet matters with the name you offer it. Understand? The name of your lead magnet signifies if it is important or not. You get the point? So if you have a bad name, it will not get a lot of click, but if you have a good name, it will figure out a lot of click. So you have to maybe use ChatGPT. You might ask ChatGPT, okay, create this kind of lead magnet, what should I name it? Understand? And ChatGPT will give you the list of names you can name your lead magnet. So that is number 4. Number 5 is make it easy to consume. You understand? Now, I have seen a lot of people, when they create lead magnet, they may make it 1 hour long, 2 hours long. No, you must make it very small. You understand? Deliver value in a small period of time. If it is broadcast, you might make it 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Deliver that value in a small period of time. If it's PDF, you might make it 6 pages, 5 pages. Understand? Deliver that value in a small period of time. It is videos, the same thing, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Deliver that value in a small period of time. Don't waste people's time. Understand? So that is make it easy for them to consume. Make it as small as possible and deliver as highest value as you can in the lead magnet. Then number 6 is make it easy for them to tell you they want more. Now, one of the secrets of creating a very perfect lead magnet is sharing out your secret there. Tell them, in fact, consider everything that you will charge people for money and share it away for free. Yes, share it away for free, because when people see your lead magnet, 99% of them might not buy your product, but they will judge your paid product based on your lead magnet. If your lead magnet is good, they will say, okay, wow, this person's paid product will actually be good. Or if your lead magnet is bad, they'll be like, his paid product will be bad. So people will judge your paid product based on the free stuff that you give them. Now, let me see if I come here and be giving you mediocrity content, if my content doesn't even have any value at all. If I have a paid product that I want to say to you, you might be like, look at this one that is content doesn't even teach anything, selling a product. You will not be interested, you understand? But when my content is high, is top notch, if you want to buy a paid product. So that is the number 6. Make it easy for them to tell you they want to. Then number 7 is add scarcity, because you know that free stuff, people don't value free stuff. You understand? So, but there is a way you can make your free stuff valuable, or your lead magnet valuable, by adding scarcity at it. You get the point? Now, that hospital that I told you that run free clinic tests for people, add scarcity to it. But they said, okay, this thing is going to end on July 2025. They said that now it won't be available forever. So they add, even though it's free, but they add scarcity to it, which make people to click more. You get the point? So you have to add scarcity to it. I don't know why I'm finding it difficult to pronounce assertive words. Well, take me, that is, I will prove every day. So that is it. Then the last one, but not the least, is add a create call to action. Now, here's the thing: after some people read your lead magnet, most of them will be ready to buy your paid product immediately, while some of them may not be ready. So those of them that are not ready, you have to follow them up. Then those of them that are ready, you have to put a call to action at the end of your lead magnet, and then with that, they can buy your paid products. So if you follow these steps sequentially, you can be able to create a very perfect lead magnet, and people will be able to buy more of your product. So if I need to sell, so I created a video and about the 8 that psychological sales trick you can use to sell anything to anyone. So watch this video here to get it now. See you on the next video, guys.